リー・カープですね。Bottle of Coke. That's very old school looking, is it not? Mario and Luigi. Coming over! Whoa!
Only in Japan, bro.
Only in Japan.
Only in Japan.
皆さんおはようございます。スティーブ的支店のスティーブです。東京の最後の日ですね。今日帰国します。夕方の4時ぐらいからの飛行機でアメリカに帰っちゃうんですけど、楽しい1週間でしたね。いやもう疲れてますね。アメリカからデイリー・ドリブンエキゾティクスのデイブとデイモンさんが来ていろんな案内をしている中、昨日辰巳もう夜中までちょっとね、撮影だったんでかなり疲れたんですけど、最後の日に楽しくしたいなということで、今までね見たことはあるんだけれども自分はやったことないことがあります。そうですよ、スティーブは日本ではやったことないようなこともありますよ。というのはストリートカートですね。東京でこういうものです。マリー・カープですね。早速新木場までやりに来ました。ちょっと早速チェックしましょう。おはようございます。よろしくお願いします。楽しみですね。かっけえ。いいですね。こういう感じです。もう楽しそうな感じですね。いろいろあってカートが多いな。見ていろんな種類のカートがありますね。こういうカートもある。もうガソリンのカートが多いようですね。電動じゃなくてかっこいいよね。おしゃれなカートですね。コスプレしながらこれができるというのはまた面白いよな。これはなるほどな。バナナもダメ。バナナは投げてダメ。カメハメハ。Yeah. Hello, David.
A bottle of Coke.
A bottle of Coke. That's very old school looking, is it not? Very nice.
Delicious.
Haven't seen those in a long time, huh?
No.
It's like old, really old school. Real glass, huh? Wow.
Thick glass.
Thick glass. I think it's some cool stuff in here, huh?
I legit. I've
Yeah.
seen one of these before from Terminator 2, the movie.
Yeah.
I saw that in Vegas. I want that. That's probably a lot of money.
That looks like a seriously real looking.
Metal. It's all real.
Wow. They got some cool stuff in here, huh? And if you haven't noticed, it's also one of the best activities and tours in Japan by International Traveler, TripAdvisor, which you can rely on because TripAdvisor, I happen to use it too, and it's great for information. It's a great place to go. これ日本人の方もね、これ外国人だけじゃないですよ。これ楽しめるのは日本人の方でもこれね、東京に来てこれやったら面白いと思いますよ。ね、外国人と間違えられることがあるかもしれないけど、ほらこんなに楽しくできるんじゃないですか。ジェンツンボトンみたいに。これもこういうカートも乗るなら楽しいですよね。これ小林カムイもジェームズ・ロスター、結構有名な人が来ますよね。中もねちょっとゲームはね免許証持ってくるの忘れたってことで。Time to go back and get that license, huh, Terry?
Oh yeah.
Are you and Damon gonna squeeze on here together?
Yeah.
I can't wait to see this. You know, when you guys are making fun of me about carrying my man bag everywhere with me?
Yeah.
You know why I carry it with me all the time?
Why?
Because my license is in there. And my
I don't
passport.
drive here.
I know.
And when I do, I drive with no license.
Yes. This looks great. Mario and Luigi.
Alright, let's do this.
Bye, boys. 免許証がないといけないですよ。パスポートも持ってこないといけないんで、そういうのはねあるんだけれども、Dave, you were prepared this time, and Damon was completely unprepared.
David left his license back at the hotel. So
Yes, he did.
I'm the responsible one today.
And while he's making fun of me for carrying around my little man bag right here, which contains all of my essentials for a trip like this, I'm prepared. You're prepared.
I'm prepared.
And the main man came unprepared. But he's on his way back on a Can-Am right now to go get his stuff, and we should be on the road pretty soon. よく最近もう観光客 まあね、中国人とかアメリカ人とかもういろんな世界中の方が東京に来て、一つのやっぱりどうしてもやらないといけないのはこのマリーカートですね。すごい自分も今日はこれ楽しみにやりに来ました。デイブとデイモンと俺とテリーさん4人でこれから乗ってきます。
Let's do it.
You know what?
We got Spider-Man.
I'm
No,
gonna
we
go-
gotta do. Let's put you in.
Oh no. Is that me? Is that got Steve written on it?
That's
or what?
got you written all over it. We need.
What about
we
a
need.
Pikachu?
No, Pikachu.
I think
Oh,
that's a character.
that would be pretty good.
いいね。これから乗ります。こういうのはいつもね、普通は他の人がやってるところを見ると、いやーどうだろうなーと思ったんだけど、実際にやってみると楽しいんだろうね。デイモン、テリー、デイブ、いいね。Hey pal.
Hey, what do you think?
How's that seem?
These things are faster than I thought.
They're really fast. I lost my hood.
Crazy.
Wow. Hey Terry, that's pretty fun. That's not too bad. すげえな。これ楽しいよ。楽しい。いいな、いいな、楽しい。
Well, dude, 30 minutes late. 30 minutes late, brother. But I mean, dude,
It is what it is.
What a trip!
Thanks, man.
Thank you for everything you've done.
You're welcome, man.
The audience loves it. Really appreciates you.
I had
Give
so
him a
much-
big hug, Steve.
Come
give him a
on,
hug.
man.
Wait
I
for a
want
hug.
another hug from you, man. Thanks.
I had so much fun with you, man. Can't wait to see you again in LA, and then we're back again in Japan soon. And the whole world, actually. Let's go everywhere. Every country in 2019.
All right.
Can we do it?
I'd love to
How
do
many
it.
countries are there?
A lot.
Hell of a lot.
A lot.
7.
Hey, but honestly, guys, seriously, I said it before, I'm gonna say it again. Maybe it's repetitive. Thank you, guys. You made my time in Japan kind of even more fun than I normally would have, doing it with you and showing you all the stuff that I like to see and that you guys soaked it all in. it made it even more fun for me. So I look forward to doing this again with you guys.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
And
You're
the DVE
late.
family and for having
Yeah,
me
you're
part
late.
of the member.
Go.
Go.
I'm
Hey,
I'm late.
we're bowing.
Stop
We're bowing.
Your ass. Hi, okay.
Go,
okay.
go, go.
Domo, 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 domo,
Domo,
domo.
domo, domo.
Domo, 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 domo. My Uber to the airport.